Hello everyone, today I have a tip especially for leaders. What I see often in the dance floor done is that you squeeze too much with your hand. So we have two arms. We have the arm that holds the follower from the back. So this is my frame, it holds the follower from the back, and I have the hand that holds the hand of the follower, right? Whichever way you prefer to hold the hand of the follower. And what I see all the time is using this hand to force a follower to do something. We never ever force a follower to do something using this arm. We have our frame, we're strong with this arm, yes, but we don't force a follower to do something with this hand. If you cannot lead a move with your body, with your frame and how you move, you should not be forcing a follower to do something by squeezing with his arm, yeah? So this hand is really there for aesthetic reasons, because it's not beautiful for both of us to dance like this, yeah? You should be able to do basically all the moves that you know by not using this hand, but we just keep connection to have it look better, yeah? So that's what this is there for most of the time. I'm going to come a bit close, intimate, to make my point. So now I'm squeezing with my fingers. I have really good connection, but maybe it's too good, yeah? So it's really important that your fingers are light, are relaxed, yeah? So I don't put basically any pressure with my fingers. They're relaxed. I don't squeeze. I'm just resting my fingers there, yeah? So I do keep the connection. So if the hand of the follower moves in any way, I keep this connection, but I never squeeze, I never hold really tight, yeah? So it's really important, please, try to not squeeze and force the follower to do something by squeezing more. You're going to get the follower also out of balance and it's not comfortable, yeah? So thank you for your attention, and hopefully this is better for you and for your follower for the next time you dance. See you next time.